Page 323 is Simple Gifts. Here we're going to harmonize on what appears to be a piece in the key of D major because it's got two sharps. However, you have to watch out for that because now we got modes. We can't just say it's either major or minor. It could be whatever. We have to look at it more deeply. First, we learn the melody. We're going to play two sharps as though we're in D major, but it's not in D major. It's actually in A mixolydian. Because A major has three sharps. We're taking one away. We got two sharps left. That's what the key signature says, two sharps. Therefore, it's A mixolydian because it ends on an A2. You hear it, you can kind of hear where the tonic is in a lot of cases, and that's going to tell you what key it's in. So here, I like it better in A major. I think it sounds better. See, normally you hear it in A major, but this isn't in A major. It's not in D major. It's in A mixolydian because we took A and we lowered the seventh step. We got two sharps now. They could have put three sharps in the key signature and given you G naturals everywhere, but it's easier just to give it two sharps. Now, the chords. Let's make sure we know what these are. And I didn't talk about the time signature and all that. I hope you're getting that by now. I'm just trying to get to the crux of the lesson, the subject of the lesson, because sometimes the videos get a little long. You get bored, and I get bored, and everybody's bored. Here we go. A major. I'm just going to do block chords at first. A major, G major, E minor, A major, G major, E minor. Oh, that's fun. We'll do that. Okay. If I do the inversions, they do not saying anything about inversions, so I assume I'm doing root position. But if I did inversions, then G major's here, and then E minor, well, if I just take this up one, I've got it. But the music isn't saying do inversions because they would have a slash with the letter on the bottom if they wanted it. So this tells me it's in root position. Whatever. And then I want to hear the melody and the harmony. Here, G. And that's the harmony with it. And their suggestion is just block chords, but do the other patterns. Do this. Or the Alberti bass. You get the idea. Try different patterns out and maybe different rhythms too on here. Different patterns in the left hand can kind of change the mood of the piece. You experiment, you try different things out. What happens if I played staccato in the left hand? It's out of place for this because this is a smooth piece, but it's like a rolling cart or something, kind of bumpity. But as I said, it's out of place, it's out of character for this piece. But as far as experimenting with, try it out.